Are you tired of frizzy, dull, and unmanageable hair? We see those salon finish, glass like hair videos and think it's all chemicals. It's not. Today, the objective is to transform dry, damaged cuticles into silky, smooth strands using 100% natural kitchen ingredients. No heat, no silicones, just pure hydration. By the end of this 1 5-minute guide, you will have a complete 1 0 step routine that works for all hair types. I am trying to explain each step in a beautiful way so that you can keep your hair beautiful in a realistic and practical way. Now we are discussing these step by step. Step 1, the pre wash scalp stimulation. Before applying any product, use a wooden comb or your fingertips. Massage your scalp in circular motions for 3 minutes. This increases blood flow and brings natural oils, sebum, from the roots to the mid lengths. Smooth hair starts with a healthy, stimulated scalp. Step 2, the liquid gold oil treatment. We have come to the point number which you will need to use this point number 2 ingredients. You will need a blend of coconut oil and vitamin E. Warm up 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and pierce 2 vitamin E capsules into it. Focus primarily on the ends of your hair, which are the oldest and driest parts. Let this sit for at least 30 minutes before your shower. Step 3, the deep conditioning mask, the hero step. The recipe: 1 ripe banana plus 2 tablespoons of honey plus 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Blend these until they are a smooth paste, no lumps. I am giving instructions on how to use it. Apply section by section. The potassium in bananas improves elasticity, while honey is a humectant that pulls moisture from the air into your hair. Step 4, temperature control. Never use hot water. Rinse your mask off with lukewarm water. Hot water lifts the hair cuticle, causing frizz. Lukewarm water cleanses without stripping the moisture we just added. Step 5, diluted shampooing. Take your regular sulfate-free shampoo and mix it with half a cup of water in a mug. How to use it? Pour the diluted mixture only on the scalp. Let the suds run down the lengths naturally as you rinse. This prevents the ends from becoming straw-like. Step 6, the natural pH balancer. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, rinse. Mix 1 part ACV with 3 parts water. After shampooing, pour this over your hair. It closes the hair cuticles instantly, reflecting light and creating that silky shine. Step 7, the cold rinse finale. For the final 30 seconds of your shower, turn the dial to cold. Cold water locks the cuticle shaft, trapping the nutrients from the banana mask and oil inside the hair shaft. Step 8, microfiber drying. Throw away your rough cotton towels. Use a microfiber towel or an old cotton t-shirt. Gently pat and squeeze. Never rub. Rubbing creates friction, and friction creates frizz. Step 9, the aloe vera leave-in. While hair is 70% damp, apply a pea-sized amount of fresh aloe vera gel to the ends. It acts as a natural silicone, providing a protective layer against dust and pollution. Step 10, night protection and summary. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. Consistency is key. Do this routine once a week and you'll see a permanent change in texture. If you found these tips helpful, hit the subscribe button for more natural beauty secrets. Technical tip for your video. Since you focus on high quality visuals, ensure you get close-up shots of the mask texture and the before and after shine under soft, natural lighting to maximize viewer engagement.